Today I'm going to show you guys how I got this hair color. I went from black to this super pretty, I don't know really what it's called. Let me know in the comment sections what color this is because it's fire. So yeah, if you want to learn how to go from black to this, then keep watching. I'm going in with 40 volume developer and my BW2 mixing powder. I actually ended up using half of that bottle of developer and I just poured it straight into the container, so I didn't have additional stuff to, you know, wash. And I'm taking my gloves because we're pregnant. We don't want no chemical burns. I also opened up the windows because this stench is really, really strong. I started off by coating the hair with a comb, with that comb in particular. Then I realized that it was easier to do it with my hands. After that, the hair did begin to kind of like steam and get really hot, but I was just like, we're already here, so let's bleach this hair. And then I left it on after processing the whole thing. I left it on for 20 minutes and this is the color that it came to be. I only bleached it once. I didn't go in and bleach it a second time. So yeah, I'm rinsing it out. Then I used the Cream of Nature conditioning shampoo conditioner to, you know, wash the hair. Then after that, I'm going to go on with Wella. You're going to see the Wellas that I used and I'm going to link it in the description. I started off in the front because I wanted to make sure the front processed first, because last time I started off with the back and of course the back's lighter. But yeah, I just made sure I lathered it all over the hair. The instructions are on the box. It says to not exceed 30 minutes. So yeah, I just lathered it all over the hair. After that, I rinsed it out. I washed it with the same Cream of Nature hair conditioning shampoo. And then, yeah, that was the final results. You guys are going to see it in the next clip. Well, in a few clips to come. But if you guys want to see what this looks like installed, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And check out the video of me installing this hair, because it actually turned out super cute. So if you wanted to, you know, go from black to, I would say this is like a pretty brown-esque color, then yeah, it's definitely doable. I would recommend 40 volume developer just so the process could be faster. Otherwise, if you use 30, you might have to do it again. And this is what the results look like air dried. Super cute. Very pretty. And then after, there's going to be a clip on what it looks like on me. Thanks for watching. Dun 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 dun.
So sharp, stop playing with him.
facebyjdevinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch. Got him asking questions, I'm designing to the